Hello everyone, welcome to page Multimedia Rise. My name is Lida. In this video, we're gonna learn about lesson 4, sin. And today we also have 5 words. Let's start it. The first word is not. Not. Spell N-O-T. Not. Example, please do not use phone in the class. Please do not use phone in the class. Second word is no. No. Spell N-O. No. For example, I have no money. I have no money. Third word is punish. Punish. P-U-N-I-S-H. Punish. For example, my teacher punished me when I didn't do my homework. My teacher punished me when I didn't do my homework. Fourth word is day. Day. Spell D-A-Y. Day. For example, it is a happy day. It is a happy day. Fifth word is kill. Kill. K-I-L-L. Kill. For example, my cat killed a rat. My cat killed a rat. Okay, now please repeat after me. Not. Not. No. No. Punish. Punish. Day. Day. Killed. Killed. Okay, thank you so much for spending time with me in this video, and please don't forget to make a sentence or sentences by using the word that we just learned, and please comment it down below, and if you do it right, we will give you a thumbs up, and if not, we will have check. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye, God bless you.